It just act naturally, normal. You get what I say? Yeah man. Oh, this is a channel. Oh, you see channel? Hold up for 777 TV.
Alright.
Yeah man.
Tours Medina.
Ocho Rios. Not true.
Nice. Everywhere nice.
What's your name?
Everywhere nice for years.
Well, I've been in Manteca. I'm tired of Manteca, you know. I'm tired. Yeah, what's your nice man? What's your way more to offer?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Manteca, it's true.
Cause the battle's already lost. Check the set.
Yeah, and you apologize yourself. Where you come from? Holy Fire 777 TV.
Holy Fire what?
777 TV.
Big up Holy Fire 777 TV.
Alright.
One for the up.
Tell them how them find you.
Yes, man. Alright, so this is Sunbeam Tours, alright? When I'm doing my tours, I bring people to authentic places like this.
Yeah.
So this is one of the hidden gems in Jamaica, alright? So unlike rest of tour drivers, they bring you to touristy places, and that is not the experience that you're looking for.
Family, I don't know, it's the boy Holy Fire 777 coming to you from Jamaica, the land that we all love, that was given to us from the one up above. And today I'm not in Manteca Bay, it's a holiday, it's Monday, and it's called Easter Monday in Jamaica, which I say is a holiday. So we are in Ocho Rios on the north coast. Yeah. A couple miles away from Manteca Bay. So we're not in Manteca Bay today. But the rain is falling Ocho Rios today. The rain is falling. So I came off the taxi out there because I just want to walk. But then the rain is falling and I didn't walk in my umbrella. Yeah. So I'm just getting a little shelter here. Here we are, right across the road from Duns River. Right across the road from Duns River. And I chose to wear white shoes today. Wrong day to wear white shoes when the rain fall. Yeah, so as I say, right away across the road from Duns River, that's where we go to Duns River. So coming from Manteca Bay side, Duns River is on your right hand side. Yes. So that is it. And then you're gonna turn and go right to entry, or exit and entry I should say. So you're gonna go down and turn right. So this is it. Exit, and down there so is the entrance. Yeah, so the sun seems to be coming back out, you know, how Jamaica stay. And basically Ocho Rios is very I would say now full of a lot of trees and stuff like that. It's a lot of greenery in Ocho Rios. So as the rainfall regularly, and you will get sun will come out back. People coming from Duns River. But then, as I say, the sunlight coming out pretty quick. Pretty soon we're gonna have sunlight again. So this is the roadway. And I tell you, it is beautiful. And a lady there here selling some stuff also. Yeah. So it's a wonderful day, so we're gonna see what we can see in Ocho Rios. Yeah, and as I say, Ocho have farm a whole lot to offer. When I say a whole lot, I mean a whole lot to offer in Ocho Rios. And majority of these roadways that I see here, majority of the roadway, there river run underneath it. Fresh river water or spring water, whichever you want to say. I guess some spring and also river. Clean and fresh. When I said fresh, I mean fresh. Yeah, water coming down from up in the hills, way up in the hills of Ocho Rios. So I'm gonna also give you some drone footage, so this is why I want the rain to stop fall. So I can also fly my drone along the roadway and give you some beautiful drone footage. Yeah. So Duns River, Falls and Far. I know a lot of you have been to Duns River and a lot of you have been there in a long time. I went there one time since, what was it? Was it last year or this year? I think it was last year. Was it last year? I don't even remember. It was last year or this year. But I think I went there one time. Yeah. I went there one time. Alright, so it's just barely dewing now. So hopefully very soon the rain will stop fall and I can go on my way. But the thing is, when you're walking on Jamaica roadway and after the rainfall, you will get splashed. Especially me in my white shirt. But the good thing is, somehow I walk with another shirt because I just felt it that my white shirt might get messed up. Yeah. So I just walk with another shirt in case my shirt get messed up. I have another shirt to roll with. No, I'm not taking no more taxi. Okay. So the rain practically stopped now, in a sense. The rain stopped now. So I am on my way again. Yes, as I said, we are not in Montego Bay today. I am in Ocho Rios, St. Anne. Yeah. So coming to Ochi, you gotta pass through Trelawney, which is another parish. So Montego Bay, St. James is one parish. That's where I'm coming from. And then I come through Trelawney, which is another parish. And then I come to St. Anne, and in St. Anne now you have Ocho Rios. Yeah. So we're gonna show you along the roadway what we see. And as I say, Ocho is a nice place, very nice place. But as I say, when the rain fall, trust me, you got a whole lot of issue on the road. So just stick and stay, peeps, and don't go nowhere. We'll go across the road and show you something too. You know how to walk on the roadway, you know. Alright, you see? I'm showing about now, look at now. Alright, this water is coming from up in the hills. Persons who have watched the video before, who have watched this channel before, see that I show you places like this. This water is coming from up in the hills. So this is like a river. And trust me, the water is clean and pretty, peeps. You get what I'm saying? Up in the drop in it. The water is clean, pretty and fresh. Crystal clear. I don't know how some places in Jamaica even short of water. All of this water heading straight to the sea. All of this water here heading straight to the sea. But this is just beautiful. Look at that. So it runs underneath the road. So they made the road away where the water runs underneath the road. Channel underneath the road. Beautiful. And there's a property over there where the water go across also. Rio Chico. So I guess that's another place. I don't know if it's a hotel. I'm gonna ask if it's a private or a hotel. Hey bro, over there's a hotel? Over there's a hotel? Eh? A guest house. Oh, a guest house. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I guess that's a guest house, the man say. Not for the public. Yeah, so anyhow, let me head back across the road because there's a corner there. And yeah, I don't want to be around a corner. Walking around a corner, even though I like when the vehicles are coming towards me instead of behind me. And you gotta watch the road here when you're crossing. And watch me now. As you say, you gotta know how to cross the road. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's not so easy. This road is a very busy road. When I say busy, I mean busy. It's not so easy to cross. But being a Jamaican, trust me, if you wait, you will never cross. Just have to cross right now. Yeah. So this is Jamaica, peeps. Welcome to Jamaica. But as I say, Ocho Rios is full of nature. When I say nature, I mean natural. More than Mobay. Mobay have a lot of hilly interior also, but for me, Ocho Rios is more beautiful. All of that greenery, all that hill, you know. So along the roadway, I have restaurants. Some of them don't seems to be open. I know, yeah, but some seems to be open and some not open. Some open, some not. And if you know Jamaica, you're gonna hear music along the roadway. And worse more, it's a holiday. It's a holiday, yeah, 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 yeah. And right away, you hear a Moby, a Montego Bay artist. Yeah. So, you know, young youths them, their music is playing now. Yeah. So even when you look, you see water. You see a water pipe there. They're channeling water from up in the hills. Yeah. But all of this hill have a lot of water up there, peeps. A lot of water up in the hills. Fresh water. Along the roadway you have spring water. Trust me, Ocho is different. So down here you have Dolphin Cove. So down there says Dolphin Cove, peeps. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you the entrance to Dolphin Cove. I've never been there either. I've been to in Cayman Island. I've been with the dolphins. I don't remember how they call that one. Dolphin. I think the Dolphin Cove same here too. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. In Cayman. Yeah, this is Dolphin Cove. So I guess this is the entrance. It's the entrance, son, Daddy. This is the entrance, right? Okay, it's security. I guess this is the entrance. Yeah, because I welcome to Dolphin Cove, so I guess that's the entrance. Yeah. So we are walking on the roadway. And if it's the first time you come across the channel and you don't subscribe it, what you waiting on to subscribe? Subscribe! Woo! Yeah, it's an holiday, peeps. And I tell you, trust me, I am kind of really suffering with GoPro battery, so I have to be watching my battery. Anyway, I soon get batteries, I know that. So over there is Dolphin Cove. You go play with the dolphins. But guess what now? You don't play with fish. Just kidding. Yeah, so this is Dolphin Cove. I don't know if it's here you come. I guess if you have to, yeah. This seems like more entrance. I don't know. Where is the entrance? I'm not sure. I've never been there before. But there's a lot of cars parked on the roadway. So I guess persons are there. Yeah. And this is what you have in Jamaica also. On a holiday, a public holiday, a lot of vehicles are gonna say park on the roadway near the beaches. Because persons are actually heading towards the beach. Because it's a holiday. Yeah. Yeah, so I guess a lot of persons down by Dolphin Cove. But right along the roadway you normally see vehicles park. Because it's a holiday. It's a holiday. You can see behind me, vehicle coming. Not my kind of thing, as in walking on this side of the road, but the other side of the road, my right hand side of the road, is like full of, it's mostly corner, and I don't want to be walking on that side of the road where there is corner like that. But is it safe to walk? No, I would say no, but that's why I'm watching my back like that, you know. Because I don't like vehicle coming from behind me, trust me. And then you don't have enough sidewalk because the vehicles are parked on the sidewalk, so you don't have enough sidewalk to pass. What does that say? It's a holiday. So you're not gonna get it no better than this. It's a holiday, so you're not gonna get better. This is the best parking because everybody and then granny come out. Because a holiday and people wanna have a little fun, relax, spend time with the family. Yeah, I always like color vehicle like this. This is a BMW. Let me see, this is our X3, X4. No, it's a X4. Okay. Yeah, it's a BMW. I like X4 more than X5. X4 them and X6 them look nicer than the X5. Anyway, We're on the road, peeps. Yeah. And we are almost near to Mystic Mountain, which is gonna be on my right, and Little Duns River gonna be on my left. Gonna pass. I've never been to Mystic Mountain. That's on my bucket list soon. Don't know exactly when. Yeah, but yeah, for right now, I'm gonna really have it. Whenever time I'm gonna do that, I have to come to Ocho earlier. And coming to Ocho, it took me quite a time to come to Ocho Rios because there was a lot of police on the road, I noticed. And drivers, please, Jamaican driver, taxi driver and all that, please get on the papers straight because them out here to get to know. So get on the papers straight because they are out here to get you guys. Trust me. Remember, they send them to get to know. So they're not gonna hesitate and giving you guys a lot of tickets if you don't have your vehicles in order. Because a while ago, the driver, the taxi that I came down in, I mean, he got so much, he get a long list of tickets. It's like the policeman was sending him to the supermarket, and I'm not exaggerating. I mean, a whole long list. It's crazy. Yeah, so drivers, please get in the thing straight. Yeah, so that's also a Bentley. So also Bentley in Jamaica. That's a Bentley. Yeah, and I've driven a Bentley. Nice vehicle, them. But yeah, not really my thing. Give me an Hilux. Give me an Hilux. I will take a Hilux. Yeah. Give me a Hilux. So we're on the road, people. And see, people, water coming gushing out of the hills out there. That's fresh water gushing out of the hills. You get what I'm saying? I tell you, Ocho Rios has so much to offer. Look at that. Water running out of the hills. Yeah, running under the road again. I tell you. But these are some gullies also heading toward the sea. I think some walls, retaining walls, should make along here also. Yeah. Because if you're going straight over to the sea. Alright, let me, I don't want to walk in the bush too much because of white shoes, but let me do it. Yeah. So we're on the roadway, peeps, heading into Ocho Rios. And as I say, it's a holiday. So right along the roadway, you're gonna have vehicles parked all over. A person's gonna look for the best parking, which is, I think these guys got the best parking down here, so yeah, the best parking. No chance of anyone really hitting their cars. Yeah, even though accident happened. That is the reason why it is called accident. It accidentally happens. You did not prepare for it. Wow, that's a gully down there, and you can smell pieces. So yes, peeps, as I say, if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. As you are watching the video, just stop and like, and also swipe to the left, and tap the hype button, hype up the video. Yeah, you get what I'm saying. But remember to like the video. Like the video, it helps the channel to grow. YouTube will continue to let the video flow. You get what I'm saying? Yes, we don't want the viewership to be slow, if you know. So we're Ocho, and I mean, this is such a beautiful view. We are looking out into the Caribbean Sea. You know, views like this are priceless. There is no amount of money that you could actually pay for this view. Trust me, it is priceless. And we're almost at Mystic Mountain. There's a stoplight there. Mystic Mountain is on your right, and there's a stoplight right there at Mystic Mountain. Yeah. So we're right at Mystic Mountain here. Right there we are now. Wow. I tell you. See at Mystic Mountain, peeps. And you know Mystic Mountain, when you go to Mystic Mountain, you gotta go on those, what they call it? What they call the ride again? You go all the way up into the hill in order to get up to the other stuff that they had for you to full joy. Yeah. And wow, it's look packed. So if you're coming, definitely gotta come earlier. Yeah, it is packed. It is packed. There's a lot of tourists over there and thing. A whole lot of tourists, as you can see. A whole bunch of tourists. Buses and buses over there. Buses and buses and buses over there. So I don't know if I might do a drone footage here. Yeah, look at that. I think I might do a drone footage here. This is beautiful. I might. So persons are waiting to get on the ride to go up there. Oh, but there's, as I said, there's a whole lot of persons. Hey, and ladies are posing. Yeah, I'm trying not to imposing. Yeah, but there's a lot of persons over there, man. I tell you. Yeah, and I just see vehicle pass right along the road here. Park along the road. Papa P, fireman. Pick up yourself. Yes, peeps. So when you see these vehicles along the roadway now, these vehicles along the roadway here are mainly towards people are heading towards Little Duns River. So Little Duns River is a free beach. You don't pay to go there. It is controlled by UDC, I should think. Yes. Yeah, and most of Jamaicans sell there and are there and stuff like that. Yeah. Should I get a drone footage here? Yeah, I think I want to get a drone footage here. Let me see how high the breeze is. Whoa. I think I want to get a drone footage here. That's a quick one. So peeps, stick and stay.
There's no need to suffer, just reach for your cover, man. We've got the cheat code to love.
Whole squad got a war cry. Tell the enemy it ain't a fair fight, 'cause the battle's already lost. Check the scoreboard, yeah. 1,000 fall to my left, 10,000 fall to my right, but I'll win. I'm with the Most High. You got me set for, you got me set for life. Angels in heaven, angels on my side, bringing my time through the night.
So yes, babes, there you go. I get a good footage of Ocho Rios. Get a little view of Mystic Mountain, and I didn't want to fly the drone up there because I would have to fly it too high, and there's the wind. There's a lot of wind out here. That's the reason why I need another drone, one that is big and heavy. Which I soon get that one. Yeah, no, I soon get that one, big and heavier one. Can manage the wind much better. So anyway, peeps, as I say, we are here on ship. That's the ships in the harbour too. And a little Rasta man have a farm right here near Little Duns River also. But I say the roadway is quite busy today. As I say, it's a public holiday and people come out like crazy. And this is how we do it in Jamaica. People going to the beach, family members, people coming from far, from all the way as Kingston and places like that, just to come to Ocho to beach, you know, full joy themselves. A lot of them make what they call a beach trip. People get together, get a big bus, and they would charter it and come all the way to Ocho, reach us. Back then I used to do stuff like that also. And you have people on the roadway selling soups and stuff like that. Yeah. What kind of soup? Only chicken foot. Alright, now I do no chicken foot. YouTube I said, you know. But I like support the thing. You know nothing for me now. Fish soup me drink. And I eat meat. That's why I have some big crab man. So you come and stop and write a little Ocho Rios of peeps and you get everything on one. You see it? Here peeps, write a little Ocho Rios. And this is it. Let me see. A little water there, so I'm gonna mess up my shoes. Yeah. So alright, this river same way coming from underneath the road, underneath the roadway, and it come down here. Some water go that side and some heading to this side. The persons come and they full joy it, you know, fresh water. As I said, this is a public beach. The water running down to the beach as usual. Full joy yourself, mommy. Mommy, full joy yourself, fresh water. So you have an entrance here, so but when you walk here, so you have to come down, walk into the water and go across. And this is not slippery either. Yeah, it is not slippery because I walk there. Yeah, Jamaican police making a lot of noise as usual. So that's why a lot of persons come in buses, big buses, the charter bus come to the beach. So you have a river and beach to full joy here, just like Duns River. But it is very nice place, and that's a nice, I mean extremely nice, because I've been here several times and it's something that you would want to enjoy here. Yeah. So that's it, Ocho Rios have a lot to offer when you come on to, you know, places to go. Because I mean, right from Little Duns River, you have Mystic Mountain over there on your right. So you got a lot of places to go. You get what I'm saying? You got a lot of places to go. Look at that. This is how Jamaicans full joy themselves. Look at that. This is how Jamaicans full joy themselves. It is crazy. Look at that, peeps. As I say, Montego Bay is nice, but not like Ocho Rios. Not true.
But nice. Everywhere nice.
What's nice?
Everywhere nice here.
Well, I've been in Montego Bay. I'm tired of Montego Bay now. I'm tired. Yeah, what's nice, man? What's your way more to offer?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Nice
Montego Bay is the strip.
Yeah,
man. Yeah. Yes, babes. So I go walk over there a little bit, babes. Not too much. We're gonna walk a little bit over there and see what we can catch. Yes. Bless. There, you know? Thing good? Thing go van? Yes, brother. Yeah. So no doubt do the thing, you know? I'm soon going to one juice for you, because I like supporting you, you know? Alright. I love how I do. Alright. So, alright, peeps. Let's go down a little bit. Take a little walk, you know? So this is Little Duns River. And it's right across the Mystic and the mountain. Wow. This is just awesome. Security. Fireman, what go on? Thing bless?
Yeah, good time.
See there, see me, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, you have no pot today?
Yeah.
We have no pot today.
Jerk fish, yeah?
Jerk fish. Oh, you have jerk fish in this. What kind of fish? Okay. Alright, soon forward. Alright. Pick up yourself, brother. No, man, I'm not stream on YouTube. Just like Jason, let me know a place, you know. I'm half forward, you know. Sunrise. Yeah, man. Yeah. And see little man, yeah. When I come and say I've checked out Papi, you know, Papi always have the suit. Fireman, what go on? Thing bless? Me there, you know. Where you say soup ready, Papi?
Yeah.
Kung soup? How you have today? Peace and peace. A disappointment, man.
Yesterday was gone.
Yesterday was gone. I'm gonna dig your chicken foot still, you know?
Alright.
Dig up yourself. Yes, peeps. So this is Little Dance River. This is what it's like. Fireman, big up, big up, big up. You know, I see fireman, I have to heal them up, you know? Yeah. Oh, you move like a. Yes, you move like a. Oh, I supposed to come back from this after the storm. Oh, I realize I supposed to come back from after the storm. Yeah. I understand. So yes, Steve, this is Little Dance River, I tell you. This is how Jamaicans full joy themselves. Nice. You know? So let's take a look. It is nice here, so I say nice to me, nice. This is how Jamaicans full joy themselves. Look at that. No place like Jamaica. Look at that. Not true, brother? We not run, we go nowhere. We not run, we go nowhere.
Duns River Falls.
Yeah.
This is what the tourists is envious of. This is what they come to see.
Mingle with local.
Yes.
Real authentic Jamaica.
Right now, all our people them go over Duns River Falls.
Yeah.
If they ever come over here, so no one see this, then cry. Because at this then come
At this then one.
Yes.
It's a real experience, Jamaican experience.
Yes. Yeah, banana band tree then and the
Bombard.
Yeah.
Jaja.
That's the real one.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so the man I said this is what the tourists when you come to Jamaica no want full joy. Come around Jamaicans and full joy, the real Jamaica. Looking at Nicolai Falls over there, so you have banana grow up on tree. Trust me, only in Jamaica you see things like this. I tell you, Jamaica is truly paradise. There's a lot of people out there, you can look over into Ocho Rios, same way. Trust me, peeps. You have to make a thumbnail, yes or so. Me have to get a thumbnail, yes or so. Trust me, peeps. Oh, may I tell you, what time money for my country? You call like me not used to it, we can't get used to it real nice.
Because we can't learn every day we experience something different than
brother,
I mean,
the vibes, the culture, may I tell you, if me want Jamaica, but I want to be one Jamaican.
I really thought I wouldn't want to be nothing else.
I tell people that all the while, if I wasn't a Jamaican, but I want to be a Jamaican.
I really thought, my brother.
Because Jamaica, the vibes, everything, brother, nothing like Jamaica, brother, trust me. I love it. You can't get enough of it. I'm trying to get a good thumbnail. I'm trying to get a good thumbnail, please. Good one. Yeah. This is Jamaica, alright? See falls and I back? Right. I'm going to make some real thing. YouTube and everything. Look at this. Yeah. This is Jamaica. Only in Jamaica. I am in Jamaica. Where are you? Yo, peace, me I tell you. One time I can't believe I'm in Jamaica I live. I'm like a tourist in my country all the time. Touring my country. Look there, look at my background. You have river and then you have sea. Look there. You have river and then you have the sea. You see what I say, people? Yeah man, angry businessman. Look there, people. Look there. Look at that. This is just nice, people. And right behind me, you have banana up on the falls. This is, look at that. When I come to Jamaica, I visit Little Dance River. I come here several times and every time I come here, like I first come here. Trust me, it's like the first. Every time I come here, it's like my first experience. Never gonna get enough of it.
Encounter you already.
Eh?
You do one black tea. I'm a pineapple bean. Papaya bean.
No. But maybe we meet, man. Maybe we link already still. Because that's how things that you know. Yeah. Because people like, you know, people like authentic things, you know. Some people just nice up the thing too much. Give them real Jamaica. Subscribe and then one real Jamaica, experience real Jamaica. Like when we meet here, you know, and then plan to meet here, so it just act naturally, normal. You get what I say? Yeah man. Oh, this is a channel. Oh, you see channel, Hold Up 777 TV.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Tours, Medina.
Oh, tours I do?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Tours.
okay.
The people in the park there.
Oh, so you put up on the video then? Alright, tell them how them find you.
Yes, no, man. Alright, so this is Sunbeam Tours, alright? And when I'm doing my tours, I bring people to authentic places like this.
Yeah.
So this is one of the hidden gems in Jamaica, alright? So unlike rest of tour drivers, they bring you to touristy places, and that is not the experience that you're looking for. You're looking to come to Jamaica to be around the Jamaicans. Alright, you come to Jamaica, you didn't want to come to Jamaica. Alright, you come to Jamaica. Alright, so when you bring it to these places, you don't even have to pay no money for entry.
Right.
Alright, so you come in free and come enjoy the island. Alright.
Spend with the locals.
Yeah, man, spend with the locals, support the locals. Local bar over there, so they're selling all locals and everything, local prices, everything. So this is where you get the real type of experience when I book with guys like myself. I am Sunbeam Tours. You can find me on Instagram, alright, at Sunbeam Tours.
Spell it out many years.
Alright, yeah, man, so it's Sunbeam Tours Jamaica, alright? Or if you ever type Jamaica Sunbeam Tours, you see me same way, alright? And phone number is 778, and don't forget the 876 at the front, that's the area code, alright? Area code 876, phone number 778-3341, alright? And I'm open to questions all the time, alright? Gotcha, man.
Gotcha, Ram.
This the overcomers anthem. Yeah. This the overcomers anthem. Moving mountains and dancing. Got the keys to the kingdom. So by faith we already won. Whole squad got a war cry. Tell the enemy it ain't a fair fight. Cause the battle's already lost. Check the scoreboard, yeah. 1,000 fall to my left, 10,000 fall to my right. But I'm with the Most High. You got me set for, you got me set for life. Angels in heaven on my side, bringing that break through the night. But I'm alright. You got me set for life.
This the overcomer.
We don't look like what we've been through. Let the lightning flash and the thunder roll. Somebody tell me why it ain't impossible. My refuge, yeah. With you I can really rest. The battle's already yours.
Check it.
Check the scoreboard. 1,000 fall to my left,
10,000 fall to my
10,000 fall to my right. The Most High, you got me set for.
You got
me set for life. Angels in heaven on my side. Angels in heaven on my side. Praying I cry. Praying I cry through the night. But I'm alright. You got me set for. You got me set for life.
We got it. You don't have to worry, you got
You got me
it.
set for life. I know I'm alright. 'Cause you got me set for. I'm alright 'cause
We
you got
have
me.
the victory.
No stress 'cause you got me. You said you got me.
There's no need to suffer, just reach for.
Peeps, we are here and I leave Liquor Dunter because the rain has come. So let's head on back out. Yeah. Get a taxi and go back in a Ocho Rios. Yeah, it seems like a little bit of rainy day. Yeah. So let's get on out. So this is what we're leaving, peeps. Little Duns River. Very beautiful. So when I come to Jamaica, you gotta visit Little Duns River. Nice. Bye, man. Big up. Alright. Alright, brother. Yes, peeps. So let's get on. And this is another side around here. So also, yeah, different side around here. So it's big. Can full dry all of it. Yeah. So let's get on out of here, peeps. Oh.
You pussy there, bro.
Like Karina, come on. How go on? Good day, you know. So yes, peeps, I'm at Little Duns River and the rain catch me here. So I'm sheltering. So hopefully the rain stops soon so I can get to leave and go into Ocho Rios to see what event is happening there. I can show you guys the rest of the streets of Ocho Rios because I know it's a holiday, and as I say, on a holiday, a lot of persons come out to full joy the holiday weekend. Or the holiday, because it's not a weekend, it's a Monday, so today is the second day of the week. Yeah, and persons out in the water, same way, playing, you know, but it's a nice vibe, peeps. They go to, not zooming in, but yeah, person out there playing in the water, same way, in the rain. This is Jamaica, peeps. Yeah. So I'm thinking about us run out in the rain and go get a taxi, head into Ocho Rios. I was thinking about walking a little bit on the road, but anyhow, stick and see peeps. Don't go nowhere. On fire. Peeps, rain seems like I can stop, so let's get on out of here. Whoa. Let's get on out of here. There, you know. How much you Magnum then? Hey, Magnum there. Alright, big one. Quick and fast.
I got this now. What's my name again?
Holy Fire 777, you know?
Yeah, man.
I know it's a one fire and a Holy Fire. Yeah. Yeah, man.
The one up on here?
Yeah, the artist?
No, gnarly dude.
Eh?
No, sir. One little entertainer. I have a little clout, you know, on the TikTok.
Oh, yeah, I think me hear the voice. I go on again. I look at twanging, chopping thing like.
Yeah, gnarly dude.
Oh, okay. Man, the thing here, man.
Yeah, he's loud for the app, man. I'm saying gnarly dude. He does two style, man.
I want gnarly dude on the app, man. States mad and I'm crazy. Never book a gun, but I've been dialing fully. Gnarly.
Wait, live plan on one. Do it again. You can cut that one and put on another one.
That video, it'll be the record, man.
Slap it again.
It's always a record, you know?
Live it up.
Gnarly dude.
We have to.
So you say that your TikTok name, Gnarly Dude?
I'm fine.
No, man, I'm not film phone, so I might think I try type in.
It's fine, and follow.
Yeah. Alright.
You see a famous funny vlog?
Yeah, I try to get famous. But, you know, so no internet connection.
Bars and stuff.
Just take a picture of it, man. Take a picture of it so you remember. You see it. So when you come here, so when you come to Little Duns River, a lot of time I've seen no people because Jamaicans are part of me talk most of the time. So whenever time you come to Little Duns River, you have to support the eagle of them. You get me? I say on the side of the road, so. Yes, the local, support them. Yeah. Yeah, man, take a picture, man. You take a picture, you won't forget. See that?
If you don't know it, native or local.
Picture the funny dog.
Yeah,
so
man.
you can take it.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Yeah,
alright.
man. Holy Fire Triple TV.
Alright, 777, yeah.
Alright.
So now going to watch you, see it? Alright, big up on yourself. So yes, peeps, this is it. And I said this is what you're gonna see in Jamaica and a holiday. Crazy amount of vehicle parking on the roadway. Look there. And this is just nice. This is just how Jamaicans full join themselves. You want it? If you want it, I know, I get the money off of you. Yeah? A lot of Jamaicans there, as soon as they see a camera, then start hiding. They see a little camera and they start hiding. Huh? A picture, a video, YouTube.
Hey! Hey!
Alright, you showed him your outfit.
Yes,
Yes, your outfit fitting, you know?
yeah.
Yeah, and you full joy yourself.
Big up yourself.
Where you come from?
Where name?
Holy Fire 777 TV.
Holy Fire what?
777 TV.
Big up Holy Fire 777 TV.
Alright.
One for the up.
Yes, peeps. So some Jamaicans won't afraid to go on the camera. But some will. That's why I like to wear my shirts all the time, you know. So I can just show them, you know, really say it to that. Yeah. Because that's how you advertise yourself also. And look, as I say, peeps, bus up and bus load and not have eagles on the road. You know, Jamaicans trying to make some money. Yeah, but this is Liquor Dunsiver. This is how Jamaican full joy themselves. Don't it? Not true. And a lot of eagles come out, people come out trying to make some money. They just literally come out and pack out on the side of the road and make some money. Make some money. Let's see big bus coming from town. The yellow bus. People actually chartered that bus to come to Ocho, to the beach. That's how it goes. So you know, say that a lot of persons come on that bus. Because some Kingstonian, in Kingston especially, you don't really have beaches. You don't have beaches in Kingston. You have to go all the way to St. Catherine, probably Elchar, so yeah. But on the north coast, you have a lot of different beaches. So a lot of persons would actually come to the north coast. We're gonna come down, peeps. And there is no way for me to shelter. Let me see if I can find something else to shelter. Until I get a taxi to go in a Ocho Rios town. As I say, you have to be careful when I'm walking on the roadside. Yeah, and I don't like this. Yeah. But this is it, peeps. Real Jamaican, authentic living. And how Jamaica full joy themselves in the holiday here. And I'm getting wet up, but me no mind. And big up GoPro. Yeah, my camera is waterproof. Yeah! As I said, peeps, I want a vehicle up on the road. Yeah, that's how people come out, as I said before. People come out to full joy the beach. You know, and locals need free beach to enjoy. They don't have to pay. After all the stress they go through during the week. And majority of Jamaican beach are actually private beach. A whole lot of the beaches are actually private beach. Yeah, a whole of them are private beach. Because of some clause, I think some laws for years ago. You know, a lot of them are a private beach. One thing with Cayman Island, let me say in Cayman Island, one thing especially I like in Cayman Island, I didn't recall seeing any private beach, but mainly public beaches. Locals have access to all of the beaches, and that is good. The Jamaican government need to take a page. Yeah. One thing need for rearrange. Well, not up right that's all. Right that's what I'm top. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. I'm not getting more wet up in the rain. So yes, peeps, the rain kind of stopped now. Just a bit. Stop enough so I can continue to walk. But as I say, this is Jamaica. You're gonna hear a lot of music playing. You're gonna hear a lot of music playing. Yeah. It's actually, whenever time I reach this here, so I like to cross the road. So right along the beach, you have people along the beach come all the way up, and Liquor Dunsiver come all the way up here to come swim. Yeah. So let's cross the road and go across the road. Because I like to cross the road right here. Yeah. I like to cross the road right here, peeps, because there's a spring around here. There is a spring. So actually it's mango season already in Jamaica. Whoa. And this is East Indian mangoes, peeps. So all of who do a foreign, mango season start in Jamaica. All of who do a foreign, mango season start in Jamaica. So this is the season to come down. I know that you love your mango. Yeah, but you have to come to Jamaica. You can get your mangoes. It's mango season. And if the rain wasn't falling, you'd have seen persons out here washing cars. Because there are always guys out here washing cars. And people come out here to catch water. As you can see, that gentleman catching water. Because it's pure, natural spring water. And every time I come to Ocho, I forget to bring my bottle. Every time. No, every time I come here, I forget to bring my bottle. Pure, natural spring water. People, tell me where in Jamaica, where in the world I should say, you can get this. See, Jamaica is really paradise. You get what I'm saying, peeps? Yeah. Look at this. This is spring water. People catch this and bring home to drink. This is coming out of the hill. Look there. Look there, peeps. This is coming out of the hill. Look there. All the way up. You look. All the way up. Look up and in there, peeps. Look up that there. See? All the way up. And look at the water. The water is pure. Pure. Natural. So every time I come here, living off the grid, you know? I forgot to bring my buckle. I never. So I never remember to walk with them buckle. Yeah, man. Yo. Big up yourself. Yeah. Natural life, people. And as I say, in Jamaica, people wash cars with natural spring water. Only in Jamaica, people wash cars with natural spring water. Yeah. Tell me where in the world do people wash cars with natural spring water? Because the rain fall, normally they have the guys them there. Let me cross the road quick. Let's cross the road quick. Have to watch the road, peeps. Watch it. Alright, look at now, peeps. Tell me now. Because even though I don't know, I always have to point out things like these. Look at now. This is the roadway. Yeah. This is the roadway, and look there. This is deep, look there. This is deep, you know. Look at it. So right away this need to fix because maybe because a lot of water in that area here. But this need to fix. Because you could easily have somebody in a vehicle driving it. The straight like that need to fix. Yeah. So yes, peeps, I'm gonna point it out. Once we see it, I'm gonna point it out. Yeah, so stuff like that, they need to see. Roadwork authority or whatever their name, them supposed to look and see stuff like that. And I just can see another big one there, side of it, and you know, they don't know nothing about it. But that is Jamaica. This is Jamaica. Otherwise, Jamaica is, I want to say big and beautiful. Because people might say little and talawa, but I say big and beautiful. Because Jamaica ain't that little bit. It ain't that little bit, it might look like a bit on the map, but it's ain't that little bit, peeps. So let's see how far I can actually walk go to. If I can manage to walk go all the way into Ocho Rios. And there is a ship out there, a big ass ship. The name what? Virgin Voyages. Virgin Voyages. So yes, peeps. So we are walking into Ocho Rios. I'm wipe off my camera. Yeah. Clear now. We are walking into Ocho Rios. Yeah. So let's walk into Ocho Rios, peeps. Let's go walk into Ocho Rios. Now let's say you can see people on the roadway selling whatever they can sell also. But this is Jamaica. This is Jamaica. And I'm almost hungry already, but on my style, I'm waiting until I reach home. Then I get something to eat. Yeah. Wait until I get home, then I get something to eat. So you know, peep, stick and stay. Vegetable. I look like a fresh vegetable, so yeah. Let me see. Vegetable over there. I'll tell him. As I say, you have to look across the street, look up, look down, look up again, look down again. Yeah. No, I ask for cabbage alone, you have a sell.
No, you have peanut now.
Peanut? What kind of peanut? Raw peanut?
Yeah.
Oh, so you sell it. Oh, so you sell it.
You can get now. Plastic bag like 500, 400.
Oh, I think I set my shell out already.
No man, no, I do alright.
Alright, so you plant them here?
Yeah man, I'm here for.
Alright, I think man, they are fresh vegetable. Alright, pick up yourself. You think so that's more vegetable you have yourself?
Oh yeah, I want me plant.
Alright, my daddy. Yeah. I thought he had more vegetables selling. I don't really like, you know, as I'm watching video them peeps, I'm not a cabbage person. I am not a cabbage person. And at Ocho Rios this, so you have to understand, he must sell 100 a pound. But you know, so you go, watch this. I have to make a sale. Whoa. On cross the road again. But you know, yeah, speed enough, friend. Alright, look up, look down, look up, look down. Ain't no cross. Ain't no cross. You have to cross like you want to cross. You can't cross, else you will be the last. You will get lost. So yes, babes, welcome to Jamaica. Whoa. Machine. I remember say road wait, take your time. Remember, undertakers love careless overtakers. And look at that, peeps, I tell you. Beautiful Jamaica. And I tell you, police are up on the road like, whoa. I mean, they're enough. Yeah. Especially on holiday, then come on, enough. So as I say, drivers, getting the papers in order. Otherwise, stay off of the road. Otherwise, stay off the road. Oh. And some of the road now really have a sidewalk to that to walk. Alright, anyhow, peeps, catching you back further when we reach further back into Ocho. Welcome to Ocho Rios. So welcome to Ocho Rios. Yeah. Woo. And you can see we are on the roadway heading into Ocho. Walk where I walk and I talk. Let's walk and talk. Yeah, we just check out some little nice little places in the holiday. A few little places as you can see. A few little places. And see a few little faces. Yes. And you know, that is it. So this is Ocho, peeps, for those of you who don't know. And as I say, Ocho have a lot to offer. Yeah. So up in these mountains, I think you have Mystic Mountain. I don't know if you come so far, but Mystic Mountain is up in the mountain. This is why it's named Mystic Mountain. Yeah. And I say you have a ship out there. Big ass ship. Tour Jamaica. I guess that bus take you on tour, whether you're rich or you're poor. So let's walk. So Jamaican Backside Mining Limited. So I guess Jamaican Backside Mining Limited bring their stuff here on the pier and then they disappear. Yeah, and that's the video. So much video them, please like the video them. Like the video, see? And remember, love what you do and do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. That is it, you know. Once you love something, you're gonna do it to the best of your ability. Yeah. And if you're living and working and you're not enjoying your working, you know, then find a way or just give yourself some time to quit that job that you're doing and do something that you actually love. Because a lot of us don't realize or even have an idea because we don't sit and think what we really want to do in life. What we really want to do in life. Because a lot of us are not doing what we love in life. We are doing things that is just something that is just giving us money to survive. in life. So we're not, a lot of us are not living, you're just surviving. And in this life, you got to live this life. You can't just survive, you got to live. You get what I say? A lot of persons are actually just surviving. You have got to live this life. So what's the difference between living and surviving? Surviving, you're just surviving, as in you're doing your 9 to 5, and it's a something that continues to repeat its cycle, where you're just getting some money, buy something to eat, getting some money, going to work, and you know, you repeat, and you're not living. No. And it become like a torture, you know, where you get tired of it. You get up in the morning and you're like, damn, work again. See a meringue tree, I have to stop here. Meringue tree. See a meringue tree here. And see, meringue is it's a miracle tree, put it that way. Everything can use on it. And meringue have more vitamin, more calcium, more iron than any pill you could ever take in your lifetime. Yeah, you get all from meringue tree. When you're peeps, in this life you gotta live. So don't just survive, let's live. Love what you do and do what you love. Ask yourself, what do I want to do? What do I want to do in this lifetime? Do I want to continue to do what I'm doing and live the way I'm living? You get what I'm saying? Because I know deep down that I'm not living, I'm just surviving. I'm not doing what I love. This job is a torture. Man, I get tired of going to this work, dealing with the same co-workers, the same boss that keep pissing me off. You get what I'm saying? These co-workers, they are so bad mind. They keep on bringing news and abuse. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, they're just surviving. You want to do something that you love, something that keeps you laughing, something that you get up and look forward to doing. Something that you get up and you look forward to doing. You're like, damn, I can't wait. You know? It give you that adrenaline rush. That is what I want to do, peeps. Yeah. You gotta do that in life. So, as I say, you have got to live and live life to the fullest. That is living life to the fullest. There are some people say they are living their best life. Some people are just lying, they're not living their best life. They're actually living their worst life. They're not living their best life. No. A lot of persons say they are living their best life, they are not. I'm yet to live my best life because I just want to explore more. Yeah. So this is the backside company, as I say, right there. It's a 5 minutes walk. That's One Love Plaza. 5 minutes walk. Shopping can be a restaurant, duty-free bars. Yeah, and it's still about places in Ocho Rios. So I got like 5 minutes more walk. And 5 minutes can be long when you're walking. 5 minutes can be long when you're walking. And you look, before you look, 5 minutes gone. But you know one thing I love with Ocho Rios? The mountains. It keeps the place green, the greenery. It keeps the place fresh. Ah, mad. Only in Jamaica. Always a keep. Yeah, I do some burnout. He's doing some burnout. Yeah. Maybe have shares in Goodyear tires. Yeah, I love Ocho Rios, the mountains. Yeah, the mountains are not spoiled, you know. Yeah, because nobody's going up here to live, really. Nobody's not gonna, you know. Well, you never can tell still, because in the future my people might want to live there. But this is just wonderful place. And that's it. You had a lot of springs and stuff like that up in the hills. So this is why Ocho Rios is full of water. Even in the town, water run through the town coming from the hills. Trust me, it is the hills of St. Anne. It is just awesome, people, trust me. There seems to be some kind of walkway or go up there, I don't know. Yeah, but there's a lot of water, a lot of rivers and springs coming from up there. Yeah, there seems to be some form of walkway up there, some notice or something. I'm not just a sign. Yeah. But that's what I love about Ochi. So as you're going to Ochi town, you see a lot of water. You're going to see a lot of water in Ochi. Fresh water running down into the town, coming down from the hills. Yeah, I tell you, only in Jamaica. St. Anne, St. Mary, Portland, St. Thomas, St. Catherine, they're full of rivers and springs. Yeah, and all of those parts actually join up together, are very close, because you can go to St. Anne and go to St. Mary, and St. Mary go Portland, and you go St. Thomas. And there are like, oh Lord, those bikes are loud. Yeah, they're all on the beachfront, like, you know, sea view. And I don't mean sea view in Kingston. Nice places. Long time I haven't done any walk like this, Steve. But sure, I was gonna take a taxi to walk into Ocho Rios, but then I said no, can't bother with that. It is so refreshing because I haven't been walking a lot to burn calories, and I realize that I'm putting on weight. Yeah, I don't want to put on weight. I don't want to put on no weight. Because in Jamaica in a place, when you're eating good food, it's just natural that you're going to put on weight. You're not even trying to put on weight. You're just eating natural food and you're putting on weight. No grease and all of that, but you still put on weight. Trust me, this is just Jamaica. Good food. So let me change my GoPro. This battery seems to be dying now. Hopefully I get my batteries soon. I've been saying that for over 3-4 months now. But sometimes in life you just have to wait. Look at that, peeps. Look at that. I'm gonna zoom in with my phone and show you how Jamaicans full joy. The beach and everything. It's crazy around here, peeps. So yes, peeps, this is near to Margaritaville Island Village, right? It's right by Island Village. You have a fishing village right here. So I'm going to go over there to see if I can get any fish also. And then you have Margaritaville over there. And I'll say it's a holiday, so I have a lot of persons on the beach. I'm going to walk over there, let the guys see what's happening. But the beaches are crowded this holiday. You know? Yeah. Beaches are crowded all over Jamaica. Wherever there is beaches. So as I say, I'm going to go over there, show you guys what name. And there are persons here trying to catch fish as well. There's a gentleman and a lady there trying to catch fish. But it's wonderful. And in the background you have some hotels. You know, this is Ocho Rios. You got some hotels in the background. Yeah. So anyway, people, stick and stay.
Keys to the kingdom, so by faith we already won. Whole squad